on something.
$5,000 on what?
I got someone special something.
Oh, special someone, huh?
Yeah.
What'd you get them?
A Louis duffel.
I've always wanted one of those. Okay, who's the special someone, huh?
David!
David!
Yeah, but don't worry, I got you something better because I know your birthday's today.
Okay, what'd you get me?
It's something really nice.
Okay.
It's me! Surprise!
You?
Yeah!
Are you kidding me?
What?
So let me get this straight. You got David, not your husband, a Louis duffel that I've been wanting for the last 2 years, and you got your husband, you?
Yeah.
You are unbelievable, babe.